This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. So a couple of days ago when I was saving the top gainers for the day, that was on December 4th, 2019. So one of the things I do every day is I make sure I save the day's percentage gainers so I can track them. I might not check the list every day, but I do make sure I go through the list every couple of days. So when I was saving the list, something curious popped up. Oh, and by the way, the reason why I check the best gainers every day is because the top percentage gainers on a day-to-day basis tend to repeat themselves over time. But back to the point. So on the 4th of December, out of the top percentage gainers of the day, so the top 6, this is a recent Muathe.com pick. Stock was up about 49% for the day. A recent Muathe.com pick is here, and this is based on alerts that were sent to paid subscribers. Stock was up about 36%, and again we can see here another one of our recent picks, up for the day about 21%. So these were recent picks. I'll show you the charts here in a little bit. Now all of these picks were based on the ultimate Muathe Breakout. You should know this method. If you are new to the method, links are going to be in the description of the video. Now, it's important to stress that I did not see this happening so quick. So there's no way to know for sure, but at least what we can do is understand what can move a stock, and that is understanding the ultimate Muathe Breakout. Once you know the minimum requirements, these types of things become almost available to you. Of course, not all the picks are going to do this great, but at least you know what you're looking for by understanding the method. I should point out, we also see here why it is important to track sectors. All of these stocks belong to the biotech space, and so they were moving together. So you'll notice that when stocks are moving, they tend to move in groups or in sectors. So that's another thing also. We need to spend some time looking for the top sectors in the market. So let's take a look at when these stocks were picked. Again, this is for December 4th, 2019. The top 3 of the top 6 gainers of the day for December 4th, 3 of them are recent Muathe.com stock picks. We can see here that on October 11th, KOD, an alert on KOD was issued. I'll show you the chart in a second. We can see here that on November 26th, RLMD was issued as an alert on a breakout perspective in terms of timing. And on November 29th, APLT was issued as a breakout candidate to be on the lookout for. Here are the charts. Again, I need to stress all of these are based on the ultimate Muathe Breakout. This is my own method, a method I have used for close to 20 years. Now, here are the charts, and the entry area was somewhere here for KOD. We can see that the entry for RLMD was here, and we can see that the entry for APLT was somewhere right there. This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. If you want to have access to similar alerts, take a look at my paid service. Peace and blessings. EACS.